Brandon Bakes, and today we'll be making air fryer s'mores. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need wonton wrappers or puff pastry. I'm gonna do both, test it out. Mini marshmallows, chocolate bars or chocolate chips, and graham crackers. You're also gonna need a little bit of water, cooking spray, and a rolling pin if you use your puff pastry. So what you're gonna want to do first is you want to get your graham crackers. Get your rolling pin, put the graham crackers in a bag because it's going to kind of make a mess. And then you want to roll the graham crackers out. Smash them up a little bit with the rolling pin till they're crumbed. Because what you're going to be doing with them is you're going to be lining part of the wonton or puff pastry with it. Alright, so I have rolled them out till it looks like a powder. Alright, so now you're going to want to get out a wonton wrapper. They're very thin, do not rip them. Then you're going to want to set it down. I want to grab your marshmallows, unwrap your chocolate, and put it here. Then get your crushed graham cracker. Do not spill it, that would make a ginormous mess. Then you're just going to want to put it near the edges. But not too close to the edge where it's on the edge. You just want to put it right there. And you want to grab, I'd say about 2 pieces of chocolate will work. And a couple of marshmallows. Let's put some water on the edges, so get out a small dish. And then you just want to line all the edges. This is so it sticks and does not explode in your air fryer, because that would be also a big mess to clean up, and big messes are not fun to clean. So line all the edges. Don't get the graham cracker wet. Tiny bit more water. Alright, now you want to fold it. So you're going to grab this edge, fold above, and you're going to grab this edge, make sure it's compact. You grab this edge, make sure it's compact, and then you just want to roll it, just like this. Then you're going to want to set it on a plate, bottom edge down so it doesn't unwrap, and that's how you make one. Alright, now we're going to add the ingredients. So put a little bit of graham cracker in. Then grab your chocolate, about 2 slices. Grab some marshmallows, a little more, it's about 2. Alright, now we want to water the edges, so just makes it a little easier to fold them together. So just line the edges, a little bit in the back. Now this should make it easier to make it go together. So fold it over, get back in there. And then you're going to want to grab your fork and just go down on the edges, just like this. See how that sticks together? That will make it so much easier to not let it fall out in the air fryer and make the mess. So then pick it up and put it on your plate to be fried. Alright, now it's time to fry them at 350. So you want to get your cooking spray, open the fryer, get the wonton ones first. You want to spray the top of them. And then you're just going to want to set them in there, bottom side in so they don't unfold. Just set them in there. Go for this one. And set it in there. And then these you just want to set in there. And you're going to let these cook for about 5 minutes. Checked them at 5 minutes. It turns out they needed another 2 minutes. But this is what the finished product looks like. We're going to take them out. Be careful, do not break them. Just set them on a plate. I'm gonna let them cool for about 2 minutes so you don't burn your face off when you eat them. Here's the finished product. A little bit of powdered sugar here to sprinkle on top to add a little bit of sweetness. There we go. Now I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna try the wonton one first. That's what the inside looks like. It tastes really good. The graham cracker at the bottom, a little bit of chocolate on top. The marshmallow is nice and gooey. So it tastes a lot like a s'more, and you don't have to have a fire to use it to make the s'more. Let's try the puff pastry one now. I've always loved puff pastry a lot. It's kind of hard to tell because it bit down, but that's what the inside looks like. Graham cracker bottom, and then the chocolate's got on the marshmallows, so it's like a chewy chocolate. I really like this one because puff pastry always adds a little bit of sweetness to it. I really like this recipe, and it's a really good snack for the big game. So I really hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Like I said earlier in the video, this was a big game special. I'll have another video coming out later this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope you guys enjoy the next one. Bye!